and today I got an awesome unboxing for you guys. In anticipation of the new Starfield game coming out, Xbox and Starfield Bethesda, they announced some peripherals that they were gonna release. One of them being a controller, so I had to pick that one up. I'm kind of wanting to start a controller collection, so I figured, you know what, this is a good place to start. I have a couple other ones already from Xbox, along with some of my other older controllers, so I figured, you know what, this is a really cool one. Let's get it. It's actually a very nice box. It's one of the nicest boxes I've ever seen as far as controller boxes. It has the whole picture on the front, Starfield in the corner. It has this nice red on the sides, and then has the controller on the back as well. So yeah, let's unbox this here and take a look. If we open it up, you guys can see it says in there, what does it say in there? For all into the Starfield. It has a little, I think that's the logo for people you work with in the game, the Constellation, I think it's called. Yeah, that looks really cool. This is way more detailed than I was expecting. And then we got the controller. Let's take this out of here. It comes with your standard AA batteries as well. And here we are. Here's the controller. It's a really awesome controller. It has the logo on top here as well for Constellation. It's got a kind of a bronze goldish looking D-pad, gray joysticks with the red underneath. Has all this writing on here. It's supposed to be kind of like your different flight controls for when you're flying in space, I think. Has mode, exit, lock, flight center, your power, throttle, all that kind of stuff, which is really cool. And then on the back, there is actually clear triggers, which I'm really liking. That is really awesome. It has really nice grips on here, actually, and they're made of two different tone gray. And then right in the back here, they have the little logo again, and it says "Property of Constellation." That is a quick unboxing of the new Starfield controller. Let me know Let me know down in the comments, guys, if you are excited for this game and are you planning to pick up this game. I definitely am, so I can't wait till September. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more unboxings just like this. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video.